Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Science Lesson Grade 6. In this video, we are going to learn Chapter 7, Classification of Matter. Are you ready to start? Let's recite Basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Pure substances and mixtures. Classify the following substances as pure substances or a mixture. If the substance is a pure substance, state whether it is an element or a compound. Example, water. Water is a pure substance and it is a compound. A. Soil. Soil is a mixture. B. Aluminium. Aluminium is a pure substance and it is an element. C. Coffee. Coffee is a mixture. D. Nitrogen. Nitrogen is a pure substance and it is an element. E. Carbon dioxide. It is a pure substance and it is a compound. F. Pancake. It is a mixture. G. Table salt. Table salt is a pure substance and it is a compound. H. Iron. Iron is a pure substance and it is an element. I. Ice cream. Ice cream is a mixture. J. Egg. Egg is a mixture. K. Oxygen. Oxygen is a pure substance and it is an element. L. Milk. Milk is a mixture. M. Air. Air is a mixture. N. Blood. Blood is a mixture. O. Helium. It is a pure substance and it is an element. 7.2 Homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. Classify the following items as a homogeneous or a heterogeneous mixture. A. Salad. It is a heterogeneous mixture. B. Apple juice. It is a homogeneous mixture. C. Paint. It is a heterogeneous mixture. D. Aluminium foil. It is a homogeneous mixture. E. Honey. It is a homogeneous mixture. F. Granola bar. It is a heterogeneous mixture. Classify the following items into solutions, colloids, or suspensions. A. Fizzy drink. It is a solution. B. Butter. It is a colloid. C. Oil and vinegar dressing. It is a suspension. D. Marshmallow. It is a colloid. E. Fruit jelly. It is a colloid. F. Coffee. It is a solution. G. Muddy water. It is a suspension. H. Salt water. It is a solution. I. Flour in water. It is a suspension. Objective questions. Choose the best answer. Number 1. Which of the following is a pure substance that is chemically combined by two or more elements? The answer is compound. Number 2. Which of the following shows that compounds are considered as pure substances? 1. They contain two or more elements. 2. The elements are chemically combined. 3. They form new substances. 4. The original elements maintain their properties. And the answer is 1, 2, and 3. Number 3. Which of the following shows the properties of mixture? The answer is A. The elements keep their original properties. Number 4. Which of the following items form a homogeneous mixture? 1. Black coffee. 2. Sugar water. 3. Mayonnaise. 4. Alcohol. And the answer is A. 1 and 2. Number 5. Azim is preparing orange juice from oranges and cereal with milk for breakfast. Which of the following statements best describe his breakfast meal? And the answer is C. The cereal with milk is a heterogeneous mixture because the ingredients can be separated. Number 6. Susila is making a drink. Which of the following would be an example of a solute in the drink? And the answer is B. Coffee powder. Number 7. 7. Which of the following would be formed when the particles of two or more substances are uniformly distributed within the solvent? And the answer is C. Solution. Number 8. What would be formed when clay is mixed in a glass of water? And the answer is D. Suspension. Number 9. Which of the following items has properties of both suspensions and solution? And the answer is B. Whipped cream. Number 10. Why do some medicines or drinks need to be shaken well before consumption? The answer is A. It is because they are suspensions. Subjective questions. Answer all the questions below. 1. The diagram below shows sugar, vegetable oil, and chocolate chip cookies. What is a pure substance? Any single type of substance that is not contaminated by other substances. Question B. Which is the pure substance as shown in the diagram? The answer is sugar. Question C. What is the type of pure substance based on your answer in 1B? The answer is compound. Question D. Explain your answer in 1C. It is because sugar is formed when two or more elements are joined together. E. Based on the diagram, which are the homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures respectively? The answer is vegetable oil is the homogeneous mixture while the chocolate chip cookie is the heterogeneous mixture. F. Explain your answer in 1E. The constituents of the vegetable oil are completely mixed and indistinguishable. Meanwhile, the constituents of the chocolate chip cookies are not uniformly mixed and can be identified. G. The diagram below shows some ingredients used to bake chocolate chip cookies, butter and milk. 1. What type of heterogeneous mixtures are butter and milk? Both butter and milk are colloids. 2. Explain your answer in 1G1. Because the particles are suspended and spread throughout the dispersion medium. 3. What is the difference between butter and milk in terms of the dispersion medium? The particles of butter are suspended in a solid, while the particles of milk are suspended in a liquid. Alhamdulillah, that's all for now. See you in my next lesson. Don't forget, if you think this video is helpful, click like and give good comments. And don't forget to subscribe my video and share to the pupils who need my video. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.